Hi, so welcome to A Square Languages. So today we are in DELE A2 program. Okay, so we are running with the Spanish program, which is DELE A2. Okay, so we have a lesson one, which is obviously we already have done a 19 pages in this lesson. So we have a topic is viajar. Now repetir por favor. Ahora repetir por favor. Viajar. Viajar is my verb to travel. Viajar, because we already have done the A1 concept, right? So over here, it is mentioned over here, nombres de la cultura hispana. Now repeat it, por favor. Whatever I am talking, you have to explain me. Name of the Hispana culture, Spanish culture, nombres. Nombres, we have name. Nombres de la cultura hispana. Is it clear to you? Over here, I'm using a term, cuáles. Cuáles, we have which. Cuáles, repeat after me. Cuáles son para. Now son is what? Is a mad, because we have done ser conjugation. Ellos, ellas son. See, because we have to read the entire concept of this book. So cuáles son para ti los personajes más importantes de la cultura hispana? Which one, Parati, for you, the most important of the culture, the most important person, personajes más importante de la cultura hispana? You came to know my team. ¿Cuáles son para ti? It means who, which one for you? The most, los personajes, the más importantes, the most important person of the cultura hispana. Is it clear to you? We have in inversión, repetir por favor. Inversión, we have inversion original. Repeat after me. Original. It means inversión original. It means in the original version. Now we can read this concept. We can read this. Let me zoom this, right? I think it's not visible to you. Let me zoom this. Is it fine now? Okay. Now we have last, obviously, because you know the last we have the article, we have a plural article, razones. Repetir por favor. Razones. Repeat after me, and you have to repeat after me, my team. Las razones. Razones we use for the reasons. The reasons. Por, we have for. See, because I want you to read entire concept. Las razones por las que. Por las que, it means I'm saying the reason why. Por las que. See, it is not, because Spanish is also, we have a sense of the language. I'm saying las razones por las que aprendemos una lengua son siempre variadas y personales. The reason por las que, why aprendemos, we learn una lengua, a language, son siempre, which are always, siempre. Is it clear to you? Variadas. Repetir por favor. Variadas, which is always a varied, a varieties, varies, y personales. Repetir por favor. See, because you know why I'm saying repeat, because you have to repeat the language. Your tongue has to be used to the language. So now repetir por favor. Las razones por las que aprendemos una lengua son siempre variadas y personales. It means the reason why we learn a language, which is always a varied and personal. Is it clear to you? A veces basically we use for sometimes. Okay. Estudiamos, we study. Sometimes I can say a veces, sometimes, sometimes. Estudiamos, we study. Una nueva lengua, a new language, para entendernos con amigos, to understand, entender. What is entender verb? We already have done entender, right? Entender is my verb to understand with friends, familiares, familiar, colegas. Repetir, por favor. Familiares, colegas, we have colleagues, okay. Clientes, repetir por favor, clientes. Now, for example, you're learning Spanish. Why? A veces estudiamos una nueva lengua. Sometimes we study a new language. If I ask you, ¿por qué estudiamos una lengua? A veces estudiamos una lengua, nueva lengua para entendernos con amigos, familiares, colegas, clientes, pero, but sometimes también, but, a veces, sometimes también, también we have also, lo hacemos para acercarnos, very important. Lo hacer verb we have done, hacer verb, hacemos. We have a conjugation. We do. Para, for, acercarnos. Repetir, por favor. Acercarnos. Acercarnos is simply to go, to get, come closer. Acerca, near. Cerca. Acercarnos, we do it to get closer, closer, we have say closer, close, right? Acercarnos, closer, okay. A personajes, repetir por favor. A personajes, closer to the people, to the personality. Personajes, we have a personality. People que nos interesan, que, that we, que nos, that in, that we, interesan. It means that that we have an interest. Now, for example, I want to speak to the people out in Spanish and I have my interest to something to speak to people in Spanish. So, pero a veces también lo hacemos para acercarnos. We come closer to a personality, to a character. A personajes que nos interesan, which we have interest, interesan. Claro. Para entenderlos, we study it, mejor, better, best. Muchas personas en todo el mundo estudian español para ver las películas de Almodóvar o Buñuel en versión original, para leer en español las obras de Vargas Llosa, García Márquez, para entender las canciones. You understand the entire concept? Now I'm saying muchas personas, a lot of person, en todo we have all, a lot of person, okay, throughout the world, en todo el mundo, throughout the world, mundo we have world, estudian español, study Spanish para ver las películas, to see the movies, películas, we have movies de Almodóvar. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Okay. Buñuel, no, because we have Buñuel. Repetir, por favor. Buñuel. Okay, we have Buñuel. Okay. El versión original, the version original. Okay. I can say para leer en español, for reading Spanish, las obras. Obras, we have works, the works, las obras, the works. Now, for example, I can say Llosa, the work of Llosa or García Márquez, para entender, to understand las canciones de Shakira, to understand the song, canciones. Repetir, por favor. Canciones, the songs of Shakira, y para leer estudios, and for studies, and to read, study sobre, about, okay, Gaudí u Goya. Is it clear to you? Todas esas personas, all these person quieren, they want, conocer, to know a los nombres de la cultura. They want to know the name, nombres of the culture hispana in versión original. Is it clear to you, my team? Now, ahora, see, we have the personalities. Mujeres, women, okay, al borde de un ataque de nervioso. Now, mujer, we have women. Mujeres, we have women. Is it clear to you? We have al borde, very important. Al borde at the border, okay. De un ataque. Repetir, por favor. The border, the verge, the border, the verge of an attack. De nervios. Repetir, por favor. Nervios. I'm saying at the verge of the nervous breakdown, which attack the nervios, nervous. Simply like in Spanish, okay? So you can read this. It's very simple over here. We cannot read this posture, okay? Now this name of the personalities over here in Spanish. So I can say over here, lee el texto, read the text, claro. Puedes relacionar a los personajes con sus profesiones. You can relate the personality with your profesiones, with their professions. Directores de cine, the director of the cine, say Claire. Okay, claro, perfecto. Cine, we have a cinema, movie theater. Escritores, repetir por favor. Escritores. Can you repeat, please? Escritores, we have a writer. Is it clear to you? Arquitectos, you're an architect. Cantantes de pop, the singer of the pop. Pintores, repetir por favor. These are the vocab which you have to understand. We have painters, okay. Músicos clásicos, the musical classic. Actores are actors. Dibujantes, yes. Repeat after me. Dibujantes, we have, you know, we have a cartoonist who draw something. Then we have dibujantes. Cantantes de ópera. Is it the singer of the opera? Is it clear to you? Y tú and you. Because over here, tú puedes relacionar a los personajes con sus profesiones. Y tú and you aprendes español por alguno de los motivos mencionados en el texto. Aprendes español, you understand, you learn the Spanish. For alguno. Repetir, por favor. Alguno, we have for some. De los motivos. For some of the motives. Is it clear to you? So I'm saying for the reasons I can say, learn Spanish for some of the reason mencionados, which mentioned in the text. Is it clear to you? Busca información en internet sobre uno de los personajes y luego presentalo a tus compañeros. Now you look the information in the net about this personality. Y luego, what is luego over here? So luego I using later on. Later on you can presentalo a tus with your companion, a tus compañeros. What I'm saying over here. Busca información. Now repeat por favor. Buscar is my verb to look and to search information in internet sobre, about one of those personalities, uno de los personajes. Y luego and after, presentalo, present a tus compañeros. Is it clear to you? Now over here we have in construction, okay, I can say. So what you think? ¿Qué te llamas? Repetir, por favor, please. ¿Qué te llamas? Llamar, we have up to call. ¿Qué te llamas de esta unidad? Now, repetir, por favor. ¿Qué te llamas de esta unidad? It means what you call, what you think your name in this unit. The name in this unit, lo más importante para mí, the most important for me, and you have to write it. Okay. Palabras y expresiones, which you understand the words. Palabras, we have word and expression. You have to write and to submit. Clear. This is your task. You have to submit. You have to read again and you write it down, because you have to understand the recording. La más importante para ti. Palabras y expresiones. Algo interesante sobre la cultura hispana. Some interesting about the culture of Spain. Quiero saber más sobre. You want to know more about. Saber is a verb to know. You want to know more about. Quiero saber más sobre. So my team, these are the 4 questions. Las importante para mí, palabras y expresiones, algo interesante sobre la cultura hispana y quiero saber más sobre. Team, you have to write down and to submit your answer and we can discuss in the session, obviously. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Now over here, then we move into the second portion, a second chapter. Now, for example, if I want to say, okay, let's start with this, we can say, if I would say in English, I would say I will say the most important character for me, I can say anything. La más importante para mí, isn't the most important for me? I will say the most, pen down please, the most impressive and important thing for me, the personality of the people, the characters of the people in Spanish. The personality, is it clear to you, my team? Pen down, please. The personality of the people and their characters. Is it clear to you? Claro. And their work, I can say. Clear. And their profession, I can say. So how to speak in Spanish, my team? So I can say, my team, let me write it down for you. I can say la más impresionante importante para mí, la personalidad de la gente y su carácter, exactamente sus carácter y su trabajo y sus profesiones. I can write it down over here. See, now, for example, I will say what you understand was this text, the most important thing, and you have to use your own phrase. I can use like anything, my team. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? So what you'll write, tell me, please. I can write, my team. Let me write it down for you. I can say lo más impresionante, the most impressive, I can say. Lo más, repetir por favor, impresionante, impresionante e importante para mí, la personalidad, repetir por favor, personalidad de las personas y su carácter y su trabajo. Is it clear to you? Okay. Y sus profesiones. I can use like anything. And their profession and their work. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Okay. Now let me go back to book pattern. So that how you can do like this. We have a second question. Palabras y expresiones. The most important word and expression you learned in this. You have to pen down. Okay. Algo interesante sobre la cultura. Something you interested about this culture. I can say the songs. I can say I enjoy the songs of this Hispania. I can say la canción. Canción, we have song. Okay. I enjoy. I can say enjoy. Pen down, please, because you have to understand. I enjoy reading the culture of Hispana. Reading the culture of Hispana. I can say disfruta leyendo la cultura. I enjoy the culture, the reading of, I enjoy reading the culture. So I can say disfrutar, we have verb to enjoy, disfrutar. See, you can use like anything. See, disfrutar is my verb to enjoy, disfrutar. So you have to make your own question. This would be your task which you submit. So I can say disfruto leyendo, reading, leyendo la cultura. Is it clear to you, my team? I enjoy the reading of the culture. Is it clear to you, my team? Clear? Okay, so that's how you can go for a one liner, and you can write it down over here. Algo interesante. Okay, you have done this. Clear? And quiero saber, more saber, what you want to know about more. I will say, you can say, I want to know about Spanish culture, anything. Okay, I want to know about Spanish people and their taste, their living standard. I can say anything. Their living. Is it clear to you? So what I can say, my team, quiero saber de los españoles y su gusto, su forma de vivir. Is it clear to you? Pen down, please. Quiero, I want. Saber is my verb to know. De los españoles. It means I want to know about the Spanish. De los españoles y su gusto, and their taste, what they like. Su forma de vivir. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? The lifestyle, I can say. Clear? Su forma de vida. Vida, we have life. Is it clear to you? So that how you can complete this. Clear? Claro? So my team, I'm going to share a recording with you. Pen down entire thing, and obviously we'll share the second chapter also. Claro? Okay. So today I will share a lot of recordings of second chapter also. Your task would be to understand, listen entire recording and submit the project. Claro? Okay, perfecto. So adios, hasta luego y hasta mañana.